Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei MatePad 11.5 and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off once it shows up. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see the Huawei logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And there we go. As you can see, it takes us to the recovery mode. Now, in here we have a couple different options like clear data, update mode, and safe mode. Now, under clear data, we have wipe cache partition and factory reset. And update is just update, and safe mode puts you into safe mode. So there we go. Now I'm going to select restart, which is a way to leave this mode and get back to your Harmony OS system. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. Well, Harmony OS. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.